morning. How are you all? Happy Choti Diwali. So let me tell you the time first. It's 9:55 in the morning and we already woke up. Our breakfast is finished, everything is done. It's just that I'm starting the vlog late. Kids are going to do their online assembly. There's a special assembly for them in the school for Diwali. And 1 minute, beta, 1 minute. And what I'm going to do is, yesterday I bought this potting soil and compost. I was like searching from long for particular potting soil which comes in a bag, so I got that. I'm going to transplant some of the plants. This is bell pepper, this is tumbling tomatoes, so I'm going to transplant them in the mixture. The national anthem is going on. They have finished national anthem of India. Now they are doing national anthem of Nigeria. So kids are standing in honor of the national anthem. So now the kids assembly has finished, and what kids are doing with me?
Helping with mama.
With mama. हाँ. अच्छा लूद. She lud. She rajas.
Hello.
So we are planting seeds. As I told you that I'm going to plant some new things in this potting mix. So this is a seed tray. I'm going to plant parsley. I have asked it to write a label. So this side Rajas has written, and this side Rudra has written. Now I'm teaching them how to plant seeds. Rajas, put little. Rudra, tum bhi kao.
Huh?
Little seeds na put here.
Baby.
Come take it. Come na. Come.
Look.
Put in each box.
This?
हाँ.
Yeah. Put it.
Put more. Very good. Put little in each box. Now next box. Yes. Good job. Planting the seeds, we are going to transplant the pepper plant. And kids are loving filling soil in the bucket. You like it? Rudra, you like it? It's a kind of play for them. And why I am asking them to do? Because I want them to learn that what mama do, what is gardening. Because I feel this is essential for kids. It's okay, beta. We will wash later. The time is around 14:42, that is 2:42 in the afternoon. I came downstairs around 1:45 and I'm just extremely tired. We have planted so many things. Transplanting has been done. What Rudra is doing?
Here you go. Favorite car.
He's making his favorite car?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
His favorite color is Garden Ceylon by red white look.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god. That is very interesting, Rudra.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, looks like Lada's playing Mindstorm.
Raj is playing Mindstorms?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. First can I tell you story? When a person comes na for you, but actually then your body is at pain it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Rudra.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to prepare lunch because it's already quite late and kids might be also hungry, although they have eaten sandwich also from fresh lettuce I am growing. So now I'm going to prepare lunch. I am thinking to make some soya nuggets gravy and rice. Lunch is ready. Kids are going to have the lunch. Today's lunch is very special for the kids. I guess they will be surprised because today I am giving their lunch in very authentic Indian style, thali style. you might remember that yesterday I bought this thalis for Dhanteras. So this is for Rajas, this is for Rudra, rice, some vegetable, curry vegetable, some sweet halwa, carrots. I did this because what I remember till date, after their birth, they have always eaten their food in frying crockeries, you know, that English crockeries. But now I feel no matter, like, we have habit of eating in frying crockeries and everything, but still they should know about their roots, about our Indian culture. So I bought this thali, so at least when they will eat lunch in this, they will remember that yes, this is somewhat related to our Indian culture. So let's see how kids are going to react for this presentation. But before that, I will add some ghee because they love ghee. Rajas, come beta, see your lunch. Lanu, you liked it? Tomorrow lunch, Lanu. So this one is for Rudra. Rudra, you like this lunch?
हाँ लेकिन कैलेट कर लेता हूँ मैं
और ये प्लेट कैसा लगा लूदला को?
सही
सही? Rajas, you liked it? This is our Indian culture, beta. In India na, usually Indians eat in thali. Okay, this is called thali. There are many kind of thali. This is also one kind of thali. You like it eating in this?
हमें ये कैलेट रखा था
खा सकते हो.
नहीं खाना ये
अच्छा, let me move it. You're eating halwa first?
पहले ये हटा लो तब
Yes. I'm ending this vlog for today. You all stay happy, healthy and safe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And please don't forget to like, share and comment. Take care. Bye-bye. And yes, Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Yes.